for more torture. Hey cheap bitches, I'm Rob, and this is On the Cheap Tip, and for today's Thursday DIY, we're gonna be doing another Does this really work? And I'm happy to be your guinea pig and find out for you. I'm not really happy to be your guinea pig, but I'll do it for the views. Now, in a few past videos, I tested out some hair removal hacks using baking soda, using sugar, and if you haven't seen those videos, you can click above or in the description box below to check them out. So at this point, I figure why not just bring you a third one? I'm like a roach, I just keep coming back with more.
Hey cheap bitches!
So today we are going to find out if we can remove our hair using toothpaste. Yes, you heard right. The stuff that goes on your teeth and cleans it. Apparently it can remove hair. So let's see if this stuff works and get started. Let's go. So the first thing you're going to start out with is a white toothpaste. I am not sponsored by this in any way, so just ignore the brand. I don't even really use Colgate, but I will if they want to sponsor me. Such a sellout. Now apparently the white toothpaste is preferable over the gel type toothpaste. You just want to make sure that it's white and pasty, like my skin. And what you're going to do is take a very small amount of toothpaste and put it into a little mixing bowl. The next thing you're going to get is sugar. I have organic sugar, but you could use whatever kind you have in your house. And you're going to add about double the amount of sugar than you did toothpaste. And finally, the last ingredient is going to be lemon juice. Don't know why all these things mix together to remove hair, but we're gonna find out if they do. Now with the lemon juice, you want to add little by little, because the first time I did this, I added too much lemon juice and my mixture was soupy and ruined. I literally went through like a whole tube of toothpaste trying to figure this out. Don't make the same mistakes that I did. And then you're going to mix it up to see that it is a kind of sticky consistency. It's almost like if you chewed bubblegum for a really long time and then it gets like that soft, malleable. Have you ever done that? Am I the only one? Maybe that's why I have so many cavities. My dentist loves me. I think I paid for her vacation. Now normally I would wax my armpits and my chest hair, but I'm still waiting for my hair to grow back from the last waxing video. It is still pretty gone. Instead, I'm going to do it in two other places. My arm hair and my leg hair. The texture of the hair in these two places are very different. My arm hair is kind of thin, and then my leg hair is a little bit more coarse. I just wanna see if it works better in one area than the next. What we're supposed to do is get a nice amount. You're supposed to put it in the opposite way of the hair first. This is making a mess already. And then you smooth it over into the direction of the hair. Then I'm gonna do the same on my leg hair. Against the hair, and then with the hair. And now all we have to do is just let it sit for 5 minutes to let it do whatever it's supposed to do. Rip out the hair, melt off my skin. Who knows? What am I gonna do for 5 minutes? Maybe I'll just check my Instagram. By the way, do you follow me on Instagram? Because if you don't, here's my name. Only takes like a second to do it, so you might just want to. Love me! I guess that's my alarm. Alexa, stop! Alexa, stop! I have to yell at her. It's the only way she listens. She's so abused. All right, so it's been 5 minutes. It got very sticky. And now what I'm supposed to do is move it around in like a, I don't know, I guess a circular motion. I'll do the same to my leg hair. Just moving that ish around. And then you're supposed to let it sit for like a minute. It smells good. It's very minty fresh. I don't know if I want to go around smelling like a mouth. And now the last thing you're going to do is rinse it off. I'm just going to wet a paper towel, wiping in the opposite direction. Okay, there is a little bit of hair. I don't know if you can see, there's like 3 hairs. So okay, we're seeing something happening. Let's see what happens when I do it on my leg. Not really seeing any hair. Yeah guys, no hair at all. Well, that sucks. Do you see anything? I don't really see any visible signs. And on my leg, I didn't see a damn difference. Yeah, that kind of sucks. So in conclusion, does it work? Not instantly, that's for sure. I've seen a lot of videos where people say that this works instantly, and that is not the case at all. They were lying. That's why I keep it real. I tell you like it is. I will give this tip a little bit of credit because they do say that you see better results with time, meaning I don't know, a couple days, a week, a month, who knows? I don't think this is even worth doing, honestly, because if you want to remove hair, do you want to wait like weeks or months? I want that done quick. This is just not the hack for that. I will say my skin feels a little tingly, which is a little scary, and it does feel very soft. And that's probably because I just exfoliated my skin with lemon juice and sugar, which is what I normally use to do that anyway. So maybe that was kind of worth it. I don't know. I say just use your toothpaste for your mouth because this doesn't work. Anyway, that's my whole tip, and I hope that you liked it, and I hope that maybe I clarified some questions that you had about this hack. And if I did, make sure that you comment down below and let me know. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Me. Now my passcode. Now on a couple past videos, on a few past videos, is that how you say it? Why do I feel like something's hitting my nose? There is something hitting my nose. Oh, it's a piece of hair. Oh, the tribulations of having a beard. Ooh, ooh. Oh, it's getting everywhere. Damn it. A total and utter fail. Come join the fun.